Hi my dear students, so welcome to my today's lecture, Basic Mathematics Part 11. This is the 11th part and the date is 24/2020 Monday. And this is very interesting topic. Today I am going to teach you that very interesting topic in algebra. So already we studied some basic concept of algebraic expression, right? So this is the second part of algebraic expression. मतलब आपको algebraic expression अच्छे से आता है तो equations भी बहुत अच्छे से आएगा. So now dear students, we will study this topic by taking one example. So real life example. So we know that, so in everyday problem, we normally calculate, multiply, addition, subtraction, we'll do all the things. So if the values are unknown, for example, sum of two numbers is 7. The question is sum of two numbers is 7. Then what are the numbers? So what are the two numbers? See, let me take those two unknown numbers x and y. So x and y are the two unknown numbers. Sum means here we have to take plus. That means x plus y, the sum is what? 7. So this is, see, here equation is there. Sum of two number is 7. So we have to understand the meaning of equation. Equation that has itself equal and sign. So equal sign is there. That means when algebraic expression, this is algebraic expression, like 2x plus 3, this is algebraic expression. When algebraic expression has equal sign with some other variable or constant, that is called equation. Okay, so let me take one example here. So 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. This I have taken already. Here, what is the power of this x? Power is 1. And here, what about this power of x and y here? 1, and here also 1. We know that when power is 1, it is called linear, because we studied in algebraic expression, right? So when the power of the variable is 1, the degree 1. When the degree 1, it is called linear algebraic expression. So here in equation also same. When power of the equation is 1, it is called linear equation. So here we can understand linear equation. Linear equation means what? देखो linear मतलब 1 है. In an equation which has the power or degree 1 is called linear equation. तो even देखो ये linear equation है, लेकिन यहाँ पे how many variables are there? 2 variables. So this is called linear equation in 2 variable, and this is linear equation in 1 variable. So one simple example, see here x is added 3, then that gives the result 4. A number is added by 3, that gives the result 4. So this is one simple example. So almost 5th standard students can solve this. That means they can understand a number, any number which is added by 3, then that gives 4. The result is 4. So similarly many examples we can take. So linear equation like y minus 4 is equal to 8. That means 4 is subtracted from y. See here, 4 is subtracted from y, that gives the result 8. Then what is that number? We can find out the number, that we will do afterwards. First you have to understand the meaning linear equation, and you have to understand the application also. Application, many applications are there. Application मतलब क्या होता है? Uses. आप कहाँ पे use करते हैं? मैंने already एक बताया ना आपको, sum of two numbers is equal to 7. What are the numbers? तो आप हो सकता है आप 4 plus 3 ले सकते हैं, 5 plus 2 भी ले सकते हैं. Many equations will be there, many values will be there. So accordingly, so here we can take, if a number is added by 3, that means 1 is added by 3, then you will get 4. Here similarly, 4 is subtracted from 12. 4 is subtracted from 12, then you will get 8. Here these are very simple examples. See, now we will study how to find the value of variable x, y, z, whatever, m, n, o, p, whatever. How to find that? That is called solution of linear equation. What it is called? Solution of linear equation. How to find the solution? Normally, just I applied trial and error method. Already I explained, here I put x is equal to 1, then 1 plus 3 you will get 4. That means this is called trial and error method. So when you put value of x in the LHS, see one thing you remember, this part is called left hand side and this part is called right hand side, LHS and RHS. To find the value of unknown, or any variable, we should get LHS is equal to RHS. That means the value of that variable should satisfy LHS as well as RHS. Okay, then here if we put y value 12, 12 minus 4, 8. So here also 8. Therefore, y is equal to 12 is the solution of linear equation. Understood? No? So very simple. So this is what trial and error method. So I will take one example, simple example. X plus 5 is equal to 10. Now you can easily tell that, sir, x is 5 because 5 plus 5, 10. So you can put x is 1, 0, 2 and so on. So for what value of x, you will get 10. For x is equal to 5, you will get LHS here. LHS is equal to x plus 5. The next value is 5. 5 plus 5, 10. X is equal to 10. Sorry, LHS is 10. And RHS, what is there in RHS? RHS is also 10. That means by this we can understand LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, the value of this x is 5. This is very simple method, but this is helpful for simple examples, not for complicated examples. So for that we have another method, that is what? Transposition method. So now I will solve by transposition method. Okay, so let me take one example and solve by transposition method. So first we will understand what is transposition method. See, transposition method, here that name indicates transport. That means we need to shift from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. So here we need to understand one thing. While transporting, while transposition means while shifting, so we need to take care of the sign. First one, while shifting, sign will be changed. The minus will be changed into plus, then plus will be changed into minus, then multiplication will be changed into division, then division will be changed into multiplication, then square will be changed into square root. Similarly, cube will be changed into cube root, and so on. We need to remember these things. So while shifting the terms from LHS to RHS, I am telling about LHS and RHS, not inside the LHS and not inside the RHS, right? So while shifting the terms, whatever variable, it may be constant. So while shifting the terms, we need to take care of the sign of the constant or sign of the variable, whatever. Examples here. X plus 4 is equal to 5. First example. So here we have to find the value of x. Solution. The question will be solve. Solve means we have to find the value of variable. We have to find x value. इधर तो आपको सिंपल है, x का वैल्यू कितना आ सकता है? सिर्फ 1 plus 4, 5 आना चाहिए, 1 आता है. लेकिन वो ट्रांसपोजिशन मेथड से कैसा आएगा? देखो, you just shift this 4 this side, x is equal to 5 and plus 4 is there, that becomes minus 4. I told no, when plus is there, it becomes minus. So here also plus is there, it becomes minus. So 5 minus 4, what will happen? 1. So x is equal to 1. So already I told you that this answer right now, x value is 1. So now we can verify it. Checking. If we can check it. How to check? Same procedure. Check. Take LHS and RHS. LHS is x plus 4. Put x value is 1. 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Then what is there in the RHS? RHS 5 is there. So therefore we can write LHS equal to RHS. Hence it is verified. See, every time after getting value of x, you should get LHS equal to RHS. Then only your answer is right. We can verify your answer. So I'll take one more example. So the linear equation in one variable, that is also called simple equation. 2x minus 3 is equal to 6. Okay. So what will happen? So already I told you that first we need to shift the terms. Variables are constant, but here we have to find the value of x. So we have to shift constant this side. आपको x का फाइंड करना है तो constant shift करो. एक्चुअली नॉर्मली हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वेरिएबल्स वन साइड शिफ्ट करते हैं, कांस्टेंट अनदर साइड शिफ्ट करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे वेरिएबल एक ही है, मतलब 2x है, तो बाकी ये शिफ्ट करना। यहाँ पे माइनस है तो क्या हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे आके प्लस हो जाएगा, और ये जो टर्म है यहाँ पे रहेगा। डोंट चेंज दिस साइन ऑफ 6, दिस विल बी एज इट इज, नो नीड टू चेंज द साइन। सो keep this 2x as it is, that is equal to, equal sign as it is, 6 will be as it is. Now this minus 3 will be shifted here, that becomes plus 3, right now. So 2x is equal to 6 plus 3, 6 plus 3 is, addition is there, 9, 2x is equal to 9. Then here 2 is product of x, that means 2 is multiplied with x is there, so multiplication sign is there, so x is equal to 9 divided by 2. Multiplication, so here you have to remember multiplication is converted into division, that is shifted into division. So 2 ones are 2 fours are, or else you can keep 0.5, 4.5, x is equal to 4.5, or else you can keep as it is, x is equal to 9 upon 2. This is also right, x is equal to 9 upon 2. You can keep the answer in fraction or else in decimal. So I am taking third example, one more example. 2y minus 6 is equal to 3y plus 3. So this is the example. See, variable is there both the side. So already I explained you that we need to shift the variables one side and constant another side. So you can take this 3y this side, 2y, this becomes minus 3y, plus 3y is there, that becomes minus 3y, is equal to 3 will be as it is here, and shift this minus 6 this side, that becomes plus 6. So see here, 2y minus 3y is equal to 3 plus 6, minus 6 is there, that becomes plus 6. Now here you have to careful about this, 2y minus 3y. What will happen here? अभी आपको ये देखना है, ये दोनों साइन इधर प्लस है, यहाँ पे माइनस है, तो फिर सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा। सब्ट्रैक्ट होने के बाद बिगर नंबर साइन माइनस है, तो आंसर माइनस में आएगा। सो 2 minus 3 minus 1, राइट ना, देन minus 1 y as it is. Now 3 plus 6, 9. Here because addition is there, 3 plus 6, 9. Now here minus y is equal to 9, but here we want y. Y is equal to, what will happen? You just multiply minus on both the side. Here minus y is there, multiplied by minus, here minus 9. Then minus into minus plus, so y is equal to minus 9. Or else you can take this minus 1 this side, that becomes division, 9 upon minus 1, minus 9 only. So that is also right. So this is one example. Okay, one more example. So little bit complicated again, like p upon 3 minus 4 is equal to 2p minus 3. One more example I have taken. So this is a little bit complicated. See here, most students what will do? You will take this 3 this side. It is not possible. So now what we will do? First we will take minus 4 this side and 2p this side. We cannot take this 3 because 3 is divided with only p. If 3 is whole divided by, then you can take 3 this side. But here we cannot take. So keep this 3 as it is. P upon 3. Okay. Now take this 2p. Plus 2p is there. That becomes minus 2p. That is equal to minus 3 will be here as it is. Keep this minus 3 as it is. Then take this minus 4 this side. That becomes plus 4. Okay. Now here this is fraction 1 by 3. And here this is not the fraction. So here 2 upon 1 is there. So we have to take LCM to make denominator same. Or else cross multiplication. 1 is multiplied here 1p. And 3 is multiplied here, 3 2s are 6p upon 3 1s are 3. Now that is equal to, see here minus 3 is there, here plus 4 is there, 4 minus 3, 1. Now 3 you can take this side because whole divided by is there, right? First you can solve here, 1 minus 6, what will happen? 1 minus 6, minus 5, because here minus is there, here plus is there, and bigger number sign minus. So 6 minus 1, 5, and bigger number sign minus, so minus 5 p is equal to, this 3 will be multiplied 1 into 3. You understood? No? Yes. Then minus 5p is equal to 1 into 3, 3. Again, now this is not the final answer because we want value of p, unknown value. So p is equal to, here minus 5 is there. This is multiplication. Whenever product form is there, that becomes division. 3 upon minus 5. See, this sign will not change. Minus 5 will be as it is. 3 upon minus 5. That means p is equal to, minus is there here, plus into minus, minus 3 upon 5. So this is the answer. Understood now? Okay, thank you. Now I will give some homework.
Dear students, so this is the first question. Solve the following equations. Means all these are linear equations. So 1 to 9 questions are there. You just solve all the questions by using transposition method only, or else you can use any method, but transposition method is easiest method. So then second question. This is the second question. Solve the following equations and check your results. See, 1 to 10 questions are there. These are little bit complicated, level 2 questions. So solve all these questions and check your results. You have to verify LHS and RHS.